Hey everyone, Michael here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And it's been a while since I actually record one of these videos just because I've been pretty busy moving, and right now I'm actually in Korea and settling down. Everything is great, but I finally have some time to record more content for you. And recently I've been getting a lot of requests on content regarding NFTs. And I am very heavily involved in NFTs and the crypto market. So I do want to record some videos, maybe more down the road as well, just to take you on this journey with me. And it may be something that you'll be interested. So stay tuned and we will talk more about how this process actually works. Now, before you actually go ahead and buy your first NFT, of course, you need to fund your account. Now, depending on which market you want to buy your NFT in, it could be in Ethereum, it can be in Solana. So it depends on which marketplace you're buying the NFT in. You have to buy that cryptocurrency. Now, you can buy it on the exchange, and here we have Kraken. You can simply buy your Ether or Sol on Kraken and transfer that into your MetaMask wallet if you're using Ethereum. So a lot of websites like OpenSea that have artwork or music allow you to log in with your MetaMask wallet and buy right from MetaMask. All right. So it's a pretty simple process. Once you go through it a couple of times, it will make more sense. So if we just go over to OpenSea right now, and you can browse through different collections, and if you know which collection you want to go into, you can just simply click on these collections over here. Now here are the top collections over the 7 days. You can sort that by last 24 hours or 30 days. And if you know which collection you want to go ahead and purchase, you can just simply type it in here. So for example, Bunny Buddies, they released their collection around 30 days ago. And you can see it's all in OpenSea right now, where you can simply sort by buy now, and then you can go ahead and purchase. So if you click on this one, you can go into this image here and then buy, and then it will get transferred into your wallet. And to look at what you have, you just have to go ahead and click on your profile, and then you can see I have 2 NFTs in this wallet over here. Now I'll show you the exact process and how to actually go about minting your first NFT. But if you're just buying off OpenSea, that is the process that you'll be looking at. So first you need to have your Ethereum, transfer that into your MetaMask wallet. And then when you go to OpenSea, you can just start buying. And when you're buying, you have this price right here. That is the listing price. And you also have to pay for gas to actually process this transaction. And then once you buy it and it goes to your profile, you can check it out. All right, so that is basically buying off OpenSea. It's pretty straightforward, but sometimes when you are looking at a new project that haven't been minted yet, meaning it's not on the blockchain yet, and you want to buy it pre-released, and if you can get into their whitelist, meaning their pre-public launch, depending on the project, you can get it at a cheaper cost. Or another advantage is making sure that you actually am able to mint. Because when the guaranteed whitelist minting process ends and then go into the public mint, everyone is going to go mint, and the gas fee might be a lot, or sometimes they mint out, meaning you can't mint it anymore because it's sold out. And after it mints, it will be on OpenSea, and you can see it here. So everything that you see on OpenSea, it means they have already been minted and then registered on the blockchain. Now, to actually learn how to get onto the whitelist, you just have to go into your project that you're looking into, and normally there's a section called how to whitelist, and then you just have to follow these instructions. Of course, every project is a little different, so you have to actually go through and see how you can start the whitelist process. Now, sometimes it's easy, and sometimes it's very hypey project, and it takes a lot of requirements before you can get approved for a whitelist spot. Now, right here for Bape, It says you need to invite 10 people to the server, be at least level 7. This is just chatting and engaging on the general chat, and usually you want to be very helpful, engaging with the community in the group, and don't be spammy or you might get muted or banned by the community. So you have to be very careful when you actually level up. Just do it very organically and you'll be fine. And then some projects require to put a name, or in this case, Beeps is their token. So you want to put it on your name. And also your profile picture. They normally have a section for sneak peek. And you can go ahead and just download and upload that to your Discord image. And then that will be one of the requirements. So going back to how to get whitelist, you can see here, and then follow Twitter. Now, if you fulfill all these requirements, you can get a spot on the whitelist. Now, sometimes even you fulfill all these requirements, and because there are so many people going after the whitelist, it may run out, right? And they'll also tell you how many whitelist spots are available. Now, if you get into the whitelist spot, it means you have priority to mint that NFT that you want to buy. And then once the whitelist have ended, it goes into the public mint. So that's actually the first step, how to get whitelisted. Now, every project is different, like I mentioned before, so you do have to look for how to whitelist. Now, when it comes time to mint, there is normally a date on when the mint is, how much mint will be, and sometimes whitelist mint and public mint might be a different price, so you want to look into that as well. And sometimes it allows you to whitelist mint, but you can't mint in public because of the contract that they have. So there are a lot of stuff that you need to read into to see the process of what you need to do, and normally they have instructions on how to mint and what to look for. Now, this is Babe, and recently I minted Bunny Buddies, and I just want to show you that process because every project is a little different and the steps that you take is a little different. But once you get whitelist, they will normally have a channel for you to enter your MetaMask address. And once they receive that, it will allow you to go to their website to mint. And it's very important for you to use their official links because there's a lot of scammers out there that will scam you by direct messaging you with fake links to a collection. So you do want to be careful. Always use the official link that is provided by the project. And because I want to show you Bunny Buddies I recently minted, you can see that they have two phases. One is whitelist private pre-sale, that is 2 hours. So you have 2 hours window to actually mint. And then it goes into the public raffle, right? So again, different strategies for different projects. So you have to really read on what they're doing during the minting process because you don't want to screw up. And then they will normally release the minting website before the mint, and then you can go ahead and mint. And I'll show you what that looks like. So that is the minting page, but before the mint date, they collected wallets or MetaMask wallet information, and with Bunny Buddies, they actually use a website called premint.xyz, and then when you go there, you can connect your MetaMask wallet and it will grab your information. And when you actually click on here, it will bring you to their website over here, and you can connect with your wallet. And during this process, they actually ask for the Discord login as well. But because the minting process is over, it says closed. But when I was doing it, it says open. And then once you have that, you're good. Now, I actually recorded this whole process for you as well. So let's hop over to that video right now. All right, so here is a video of me going through the minting process during the mint day. Bunny Buddy provided a mint website, so all I have to do is click on that link over here. And then this is what I'll see. And now all I have to do is connect my wallet. So over here, I click on connect, and then I can select how many I want to mint. And the max is 2, depending on the project, sometimes it's more. And I can click on mint pre-sale, and then my MetaMask wallet will activate, and then I can go ahead and confirm. And because this is a very hype project, I want to go in right away so I make sure it doesn't get sold out. Now, Bunny Buddies actually sold out in 28 minutes before it even went to public sale. So right now I'm just waiting and it's being pending on the blockchain. And then once it's being processed, I saw this message, you get your bunnies. That means it's all good to go. Now I can head over to OpenSea, go to my profile, and you can see that I have my bunnies over here. Now at this time, it is not revealed yet because normally when you mint a collection, it doesn't show you what you have right away. It randomly assigns to you afterwards. So it could be a couple days later, it could be a week later. So don't worry if you don't see your NFT right away. You'll most likely see a temporary image from the collection. Then after the reveal date, you can head over to your OpenSea account under profile. Then you can go ahead and click on the NFT that you have bought. Now, right now it's showing my NFT, but for you, when you just minted, it may give you that temporary image from the project creator. But when you click on here, if it's not revealed, you just have to click on refresh metadata, and then the image will appear. So that is how you actually mint and buy your first NFT. So hopefully this video was helpful. Of course, I'll have more content and more detailed video coming your way. I just want to show you some of the stuff that I have been doing. And a lot of people have been asking me about NFTs, and I thought I would create a quick video just to show you. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and make sure to give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.